Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking Korean honey butter fried chicken wings. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have garlic, eggs, butter, ground pepper, cornstarch, we got honey, soy sauce, salt, we have all-purpose flour, brown sugar, and baking powder. We have also the chicken wings here. We cut this in small pieces and we're gonna mix all the ingredients with it before we fry it. So let's get started. Now let's put our ground pepper. All right. All right. Now we put our salt, like a teaspoon of salt. All right, and 1/4 cup of one-half cup of all-purpose flour. Okay. All right. Now we put teaspoon of baking powder. Okay. And then we will put our eggs. 1, 2. Let's say I'll put 4 eggs. Okay. And then we're gonna mix this. All right. Let's start mixing it with our hands. Okay. This is how you do it. Okay. All right. Now this is well mixed now. Now we'll continue frying it. Now we have our pan here. We're gonna fry the chicken. So we're just waiting to make this hot. It's in a medium high heat. So we'll be right back. I think our oil is ready now. So let's put our chicken in. We're gonna fry this for approximately 5-7 minutes, and we'll make it brown on its side. And that's the first frying. We're gonna fry this twice. It's getting brownish now. I flip it over. So another 4 minutes on this side. I'll show you the color of the chicken after first frying. This is the color. So we're gonna do second frying of this chicken to be crunchier. Now we will cook the sauce. So in our hot pan here, put some olive oil. Okay. We will put our garlic in. All right. Let's saute this for a minute. All right. We'll put our butter. We're gonna melt the butter here. All right. Melt our butter. The butter is melted. We're gonna put 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Okay. All right. We'll put 2 teaspoons of honey. All right. Okay. All right. That's it. Okay. And we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay. There you go. Gonna melt this. Low heat. All right. And then we'll put a little bit of chili flakes, just a little. All right. Now we will put our chicken. Okay. Put the chicken in, fried chicken. Mix it. Put some more of our chicken here. All right. There you go. And some more of the chicken here. Put everything in. All right. And then we'll mix it. There we go. We mix the chicken with the sauce we made, and this will be done in 2 minutes. And we can transfer this into our serving dish. Here's the finished product. Korean honey buttered chicken wings, fried chicken wings. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.